What's the meaning of avalanche? Avalanche. Avalanche.
Avalanche. Avalanche. Avalanche refers to a sudden and rapid flow of snow, ice, rock, or other material down the slope of a mountain. When an avalanche occurs, it can cause significant damage to human structures, vehicles, and natural landscape features, as well as pose a serious threat to human life. The result of an avalanche can be catastrophic, causing injury or death to anyone in its path. In some cases, avalanches can trigger secondary hazards such as mudslides and flooding, further exacerbating the damage caused by the initial event.